In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if you're blocked on Gmail. Navigating the social intricacies of online communication can often leave us second-guessing the silence on the other end. Whether it's a professional outreach that's gone unanswered or a personal message left unread, the digital age has introduced a slew of ways for users to manage their inbox, and unfortunately that sometimes involves blocking. If you've ever found yourself pondering whether your email has found its way into a digital black hole, this guide is tailored for you. Firstly, let's dive straight into your Gmail. Begin by navigating to your inbox. This might seem like an obvious starting point, but it's essential for accessing the features we'll need to explore. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Gmail's user interface is fairly intuitive, but knowing where everything is located will streamline the process. Next, direct your attention to the grid icon situated in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the wide array of Google's applications and services, seamlessly integrated with your Gmail account for ease of use. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing these services. From this menu, your next step is to find and click on Contacts. This might seem a bit removed from your original query, but Google's sleek integration between its services means that your Gmail contacts are readily accessible and, more importantly, searchable via Google Contacts. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to your contacts page. Here lies the crux of our investigation. Use the search function to look for the person's name in question. It's a straightforward process, but bear in mind if the person's contact information does not appear, it's a strong indication that you might be blocked. It's essential to note, however, that there are a few caveats to this method. The absence of a contact could also suggest they've completely removed their Google account or perhaps never had one. Nonetheless, in the realm of Gmail-specific inquiries, not finding a contact is a significant indicator of being blocked. It's worth mentioning a few additional tips to navigate this situation. If you suspect you're blocked but still wish to reach out, consider alternative methods of communication. It's always possible an email was missed or filtered unintentionally, so reaching out via another platform might yield a better response. Conversely, respect the boundaries others set in digital spaces. If you find you're indeed blocked, it's often for a reason that the user has deemed significant. In conclusion, while Gmail doesn't explicitly notify users when they've been blocked, the method outlined today offers a workaround to gauge your standing. The digital world can be labyrinthine with its unwritten rules and silent actions, but with a little know-how, navigating it becomes a tad less daunting. Remember, communication is key, both in its presence and absence. Understanding where you stand can help you decide the best course of forward action, be it reaching out through different means or respecting digital boundaries. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're troubleshooting a professional mishap or navigating personal digital spaces, I hope this guide sheds some light on understanding where you stand in others' inboxes.